Hello children, this is your science teacher Sharma and I welcome you all to today's class. We have learned that heat travels from one body to another body. We also learned that heat travels from hot body to cold body. Now, how will we know whether the body is hot or the body is cold? That also we have learned. We know the body is hot or not by using an instrument called thermometer and by recording the temperature. Okay, the degree of hotness or coldness. Now, how does this travel? We know it is traveling, but how? In how many ways it travels? Let us learn about the transfer of heat. Okay, heat travels from hot body to cold body in three different ways. 1. Conduction. 2. Convection. And 3. Radiation. Now, let us discuss in detail what conduction is. Okay, conduction is that transfer of heat where the heat energy will be traveling through an object from one particle to another particle. Let us make it simple. Okay, suppose if you might have ever touched the spatula or the spoon which is kept in any cooked item. Okay, or let us take an example. There is a tumbler filled with hot water and in that you drop the spoon. Okay, now even though only the head of the spoon or only till middle of the spoon it is dipped in hot water, we will feel the tip, the upper tip or the free tip of the spoon also hot. How did that happen? See, this is the tumbler which is filled with water and in that I have placed a spoon. Okay, only the lower part, only the head of the spoon is dipped in hot water. Go like this to say it is hot water. Now, even though only this part of the spoon is dipped in hot water, the heat is able to travel all the way to the open tip. Okay, so this way of transfer of heat is called conduction. Okay, does it travel from here to here or all at once? Let us check. Suppose I have taken a metal rod. Okay, and I apply a layer of wax over that. You know wax, right? We get wax, we get candles made up of wax, and I fix this rod to a stand. Now, here I place pins. Remember, wax being sticky will be able to hold pins. Okay, now I take a candle. Okay, and I lit it. When I do that, we will see this wax at this part will melt. It melts first, of course, because the heat will make the wax into its liquid state. It will melt. Okay. Now slowly, after some time, you will see that this pin will fall down. Why is it falling down? See, this candle is actually heating up the metal rod and that metal rod is melting the wax. So that's the reason why the heat which traveled from here to here, that melted the wax and the pin fell down. Now after some time you will see this pin also falls down because the heat traveled from here to here. So like that, one after the other, you will see all pins falling down. Okay, so from this we understand that heat travels from one point to another point along the object through the surface, through the body. We say it is conduction. Okay, so from one particle to other particle, from one end of the body to other end of the body along the substance, if heat is traveling, then we say it is conduction. In this we don't see any movement of the entire object. Okay, the medium does not move, only the energy moves from one place to another place. Only heat energy is traveling from one end to another end. The rod is not moving, the wax is not moving. Okay, so this is about conduction. In the next class, we will discuss about convection, which is more interesting. Okay, until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.